Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, J.A.T Art, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. Number 6 is the major problem of rehabilitation in rural sector is land degradation and deficiency of water, which has accelerated rapid marginalization and fragmentation of agricultural land of rural communities. Number 7 is the compensation of lost land is often delayed or not paid to displaced people. Moreover, agents like officials deprive the poor migrants of their full compensation. Number 8, generally the new land that is offered in lieu of their own land is less fertile and unfit for agriculture. Ninth reason is that in the areas where such people are rehabilitated, the ethnic and caste differences make it difficult for the refugees to live peacefully with the communities already present in that particular area. The next unit we'll see now, displacements which take place of the people due to the construction of the dams. In India, most of the displacements have been due to land acquisition by the government for various multi-purpose river valley projects such as construction of dams for hydropower generation, irrigation and water supply. Although these dams have been able to increase agricultural production, enhance power generation and solve the cause of adequate water supply, but they have left behind a major social problem, the resettlement and rehabilitation of millions of displaced people whose eventual influx into urban areas have made them almost a refugee. During last 50 years, more than 20 million people are estimated to have been affected directly or indirectly by big dams constructed in river valleys. Some of them like Sardar Sarovar in Gujarat, Tehri Dam project in Uttarakhand and Narmada Sagar project, Madhya Pradesh, etc. have caused a great problem of resettlement and rehabilitation of displaced people outstate from these areas. For acquiring land to be used for development projects, Government of India has the Land Acquisition Act of 1894, which empowers to serve notice to the people to vacate their land. Now the next is the Sardar Sarovar project. The much debated Sardar Sarovar project, which plans to build 30 big, 130 medium and 3000 minor dams on Narmada river and its tributaries, is estimated to submerge an area which is going to affect 573 villages and about 33,014 project affected families. Overseas, including over 3 lakh people, community rights of tribals are also breached. As per Action Plan 1993, about 14,124 projects affected families were given resettlement in Gujarat and 18,890 in Madhya Pradesh. Those allocated Gujarat 2,830 project affected families have been allotted agricultural land at the rate of 2 hectares each, and among them 2,731 have also been allotted house plots. Besides, 733 project affected families have been allotted house plots in Madhya Pradesh. Furthermore, 2,341 project affected families in Gujarat and 733 in Madhya Pradesh have been extended with rehabilitation grant and other financial assistance as provided in the R&R, that is Rehabilitation and Resettlement Policy.